Most apple cakes have over 250 calories per slice, but this one, just 83 calories per serving. And the best part? No flour, no sugar, no eggs, just pure apple goodness. First, I thinly slice 3 large apples. The thinner, the better. Next, I grind oats into oat flour. If you already have oat flour, you can skip this step. Then, I mix it with psyllium husk, salt, cinnamon, baking powder, and vanilla extract. I add water, stir everything together with a spoon, and let the batter sit for 5 minutes to thicken. I lightly grease the pan and drizzle honey on the bottom, spreading it evenly. This will create a caramelized effect after baking. I start with a layer of apple slices, then spread a thin layer of batter, just enough to hold the apples together without making the cake too dense. I repeat the process until I finish with a top layer of apples. For extra caramelization, I drizzle a bit more honey over the top and around the edges. I bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes, then let it cool before carefully removing it from the pan. Finally, I slice it into 9 portions, each one soft, tender, and naturally sweet, with just 83 calories per slice. Your healthy sweet tooth friend, Karina.